Yes. Go ahead.
Works of wisdom. Time to work and time to play. Always work on time. God says time for the sun and time for the moon. Have you seen them setting sun?
Yes, for everyone
Have
there is a
understand.
time. There is a
Have you
time for to play, time for work. There is a time for sun also. Sun's time is 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Yes or no? From 6 to 18. If I calculate it to 24 hours from 6 to 18. Okay. So 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. is the sun's time. Okay, right. Go ahead. Right, go ahead. Good, good. It's a wonderful lesson.
read and understand? Have you heard the story of the sparrow and the crow? It was a sunny morning. The crow was feeling very rested. He had just got up from a very deep sleep, enjoying the beautiful weather. The crow started singing. Just then he saw his friend Miss Sparrow carrying a heavy bag on her shoulders. The crow called out, Miss Sparrow, it is a lovely morning, and what are you doing with that bag and heavy bag? Come and sit near me and listen to my songs, don't you?
Okay, you explain. Start
Okay,
explaining.
sir.
Okay, this paragraph didn't completed, no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it's a wonderful story. Yes, yes. Go ahead, complete this paragraph first.
Don't Don't you know that the winter is near, and if you don't want to starve, start collecting food for the winter? Miss Sparrow replied, Oh, winter is a long way off, the crow said and started singing again. So first on what so I explain.
Yes, yes, you explain. Good, good, good. Right, right. Oh. My mouse is not working. That's why. Yes, go ahead. Yes, yes, go ahead.
Have you heard the story of the sparrow and the crow? It was a sunny morning. It was a very sunny in the morning. The crow was feeling very rested. The crow was feeling very rested. He had just got up from a very deep sleep. He had wake up from very deep sleep, enjoying the beautiful weather. The crow started singing. The crow was singing. Just then he saw his friend. The crow saw his friend Sparrow carrying with a heavy bag on her shoulders. The crow called out, Miss Sparrow, oh, it is a lovely morning. The crow called his friend Sparrow and tell it is a lovely morning. And what are you doing with the bag and heavy bag? Asked the crow to Sparrow. Come and sit near me and listen to my songs. The crow tell, sit near me and listen my songs. Don't you? Sir.
Yes, yes. So this wonderful paragraph. So crow is very. It was sunny. What's that incident? You have to feel that. Okay. By listening that, you have to go through that incident. You have to go to that situation. So at that situation, what is happened? It is sunny morning. Means early morning. That's a 6 a.m. or around 7 a.m. Okay. At that time, crow is feeling very rested. Means it is lazy or it is in the sleepy mode still. He heard who had. He had just got up from a very deep sleep. First of all, the crow was feeling very rested. Means the crow he has mentioned now that sentence is connected. So he means a crow. Crow just got up from a very deep sleep. That's why it's feeling very rested and enjoying the beautiful weather. So just after get up, crow's feeling is this. But what I will do, I will tell. I will just after get up, I will go and I will also work like and also okay. The crow started singing at that time. So just then he saw his friend Miss Sparrow carrying a heavy bag on her shoulder. The crow called out, Miss Sparrow, it's lovely morning, and what are you doing with that big heavy bag? Come and sit with. So this crow also distracting the sparrow to stop her work and starts enjoying now. But sparrow has a strong desire. It won't distract for those unwanted singing. When it is unwanted, if we can do entertainment after doing some work, after doing our 2 hours of work, but without doing any work, without doing hard work, we will enjoy means it's not at all useful. Okay, don't you there, if it go and enjoy it with this means it won't get food. Okay, in winter season it is very difficult to carry food because at that time they can't even go outside. It is, the weather will be very cold. Okay, go ahead.
That
No,
you know that the winter is near, and if you don't want to start collecting food for the winter. The sparrow tell the winter season is near. You did not collect the food for the winter season, said Sparrow to Crow. Miss Sparrow replied, "Oh, winter is a long way off," the crow said and started singing again. Crow replied to the sparrow, "Winter was very long way off," and started singing. The days passed by and gradually winter set in. On a dark and cold night, then when the sparrow family was enjoying their meal in the bird house, they heard the crow's voice from outside. "My dear sparrow, I am feeling very hungry. Can you give me something to eat?" "Dear Mr. Crow," the sparrow replied, "when the days were warm and sunny, you were busy singing and enjoying yourself. Now that the cold winter has come, you are asking us for food. Go away. You will not get a single grain from here." The crow had to remain cold and hungry for the whole night because he had not done his work on time. The days was going fastly. The winter was came. On a dark and cold night, when the sparrow family was enjoying with their meal, the crow was going to the sparrow's house and tell, "I was very hungry. Give me some food." The sparrow tell, "When the days warm and sunny, you were busy singing and enjoying yourself. Now the cold winter has come. You are asking us for food. Go away," tell the sparrow to the crow. "You will not get a single grain from here." The crow had to remain cold and hungry for the whole night. He had not done his work on time because the crow was hungry in the winter season.
Yes. So this winter season came. This crow went near the sparrow. After listening this crow's voice, sparrow came out. Okay, at that time what the sparrow is doing, sparrow is enjoying with their family and they are having their meal in the warm house. Warm means it is very heat. The coolness will don't get into that inside the trees area na. Yes, in that they have prepared in the winter, in the sunny season only. What they have done, they have prepared their houses to become warm in the cold time. So in that time, with the warmness as well as with having food, when they have bought from when the sunny time is in. So since this crow is didn't got this food, didn't prepare its food, so this crows went near the sparrow's house. And when that after listening that, the sparrow replied, what it replied, "It is warm and when the days were warm and sunny, you were busy singing and enjoying yourself. So now the cold winter has come, you are asking us for food." So what the sparrow replied, "You go away. Don't come near me. Don't ask me. I won't give single grain for you. I have told you already. You have to do work on your time. You have to prepare your food and prepare your house." Okay. Sparrow warned crow. So crow what is doing? It is still staying very, it is staying with hungry means it didn't has any food. ఆకలితో ఉన్నది అన్నట్టు. క్రో ఆకలితో ఉంది as well as it is facing this coldness. Okay, that's why you must do work on time. If you won't do means, you will know what will happen. Okay, you will know what will happen if you want to work also, but you are still not doing means it's your fault. Okay, so he had just got up from a very peace sleep. Yes, very peace sleep.
Very deep sleep.
Very deep sleep. Okay. The crow was feeling very rested, very lazy. The days passed by
Very
and
rested.
gradually. The days passed by and
Winter
gradually winter
season.
season. Just then he saw his friends, Mrs. Sparrow, carrying a heavy bag on her shoulder.
On her shoulders.
Yes, you can answer all these things. Okay. How many things in nature teach you? So in nature, which is this chapter? Which chapter is this? We are dealing with 11th chapter. Came down. Okay, what nature taught us? How many things in nature teach you to be punctual? Tell me, have you experienced any punctuality through nature? Things that teach us to be punctual. How do they teach us? How many things in nature teach you to be punctual? You tell me some examples. Anybody in the class? Try.
Punctual means what?
Punctual means to be on time. You must be on time. Punctuality is most important. Means if you are planning to complete your homework before 1:30 means you have to complete it. You should not tell any rules. Should not give any excuses. Okay, there is no excuse for all these things. So that's the punctuality. Punctuality means being on perfect time. Okay, you will face this punctuality in examinational. They will take your paper exactly at 1:30. If they start your class at 11:30 means they will take your paper exactly at 1:30. Understood? So they are maintaining punctual. You are not maintaining punctual. You are maintained punctual by them. Okay, you have maintained punctual by the Navodaya officials. If you come to the class and you will follow the SAR at 11:30 to 1:30 examination, you are maintained punctuality by SAR. SAR is maintaining you to do the things in accurate time. But you can create your own self. You can keep time blocking. I have to complete my work before 10:30 means 2 hours of passive reading before 10:30, and after 10:30 I can enjoy for half an hour. If you do work from 8:30 to 8 to 10:30 or morning sometime, if you enjoy after you're doing your work, how it will be how that feeling if you do, you can know that feeling. Okay, you try tomorrow. So okay, things that teach us to be punctual. How many things in nature teach you to be punctual? Tell me. You can guess once. Try. Tell me fast. Okay, the farmers will prepare now. Farmers will, if they won't be punctual, you won't get food on time. Okay, you are getting the food on time because they are struggling a lot in the farming areas. Okay, farmlands. Okay, farm areas, farmhouses. Okay, in that farmhouses, what they are doing, they are farming at accurate time. Means in these 3 months, they if they complete that rice in this 3 months only, you will get the rice. Okay, if they are preparing these plants, what we'll call tamarind plants, tomato plants, these vegetable plants. Okay, yes, these plants also will grow in. They will also maintain punctuality. They will grow in this certain time. Again, tell me. So what they have taught us? How do they teach us? We must be punctual in 3 months or within this. You tell me first.
Sir, when we was wake up very late, our school was late.
Yes, we'll go to school late. Yes, it will. If your school time is 8 a.m., if you woke up at 7:30 or 7, you will go on pushing yourself fast. Okay, you'll tell in Telugu agam like this. It will go on. So like that. So one more example. This class will be ended. After this class, you no need of joining. So tomorrow onwards, okay, I will give everyone. Everyone will get the chance to explain this living this chapters. You send me the message. Okay, you send me message in WhatsApp who are ready. I will pick them only. Okay, tomorrow onwards I will pick them stories also. Okay, send me the message. Okay, right. Be punctual and do your work on time. Okay. Okay, right. We'll discuss tomorrow also. But do your work. Okay. Right. I'm ending this meeting.
Sir, sir, we read this and we tell also stories.
Yes, yes.